In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google Calendar booking link step by step so other people can easily book time with you without back and forth messages. This is a super simple way to make scheduling faster, whether you're sharing it with clients, teammates, students, or anyone who needs to reserve a time on your calendar. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with the Google account that has your appointment schedule set up. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look for the appointment schedule you want to share. This is the schedule that controls when people can book time with you. Now click on the appointment schedule. When you open it, you'll see the details for that booking page. This is where Google Calendar gives you the link that you can send to other people. On the appointment schedule, look for the option that says Copy Link. Click it, and Google Calendar will copy the booking link to your clipboard. After that, you can paste the booking link anywhere you want. For example, you can add it to an email, send it in a text message, put it on your website, or share it in a social media post. Anywhere you place that link, people will be able to open it and see your available booking times. When someone clicks the link, they'll be taken to your booking page where they can choose an available time slot that works for them. That means no more endless messages trying to find a time. It's a clean, professional, and easy way to let people schedule with you. A quick tip before we finish. Make sure the appointment schedule is set up correctly before you share it. Double check your availability, meeting length, and any booking details so people see the right options when they open the link. That way, your calendar stays organized and your booking process runs smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to share a Google Calendar booking link in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.